Designing solar PV systems can be complex and time-consuming, but with Autarco's software platform, Helios, it doesn't have to be. As an Autarco dealer, you get free access to our software platform that covers the entire customer journey to help you manage the entire PV system lifecycle. The high level of integration leads to incredibly accurate designs and data without the risk of mismatches. You get everything you need from a single, fully accountable source. With our free-to-use system-designed software, you can easily define a solar module layout in a few clicks on up-to-date maps, survey roofs remotely via a bird's-eye view, add obstacles to the installation area, and select matching Autarco components to model a full solar PV system. Our software automatically generates a module layout within the installation area. Based on the module layout, modeled in its environment, Helios provides you with an accurate and complete item list and resulting yield calculation.
Het installeren en bestellen is voor ons heel makkelijk, omdat we even op de knop drukken nadat we een vrijblijvende aanbieding hebben gemaakt. Op het moment dat dat een akkoord wordt, drukken wij in het systeem 1 keer oké. En dan rolt eigenlijk het hele spul of bij ons of direct naar de klant. Het hele systeem sluit natuurlijk naadloos op elkaar aan en qua monitoring en zekerheid van opbrengst is dat gewoon echt een unicum.
Once you have completed your design, you can rapidly generate an end customer offer. And after installation, we offer our unique asset management system. Via the creation of a digital twin in our software, we can compare your system's performance to its full potential and detect when action is needed. Autarco enables you to offer a unique total solution proposition that is easy to sell.